Saturday's precise and important news. Deputy Prime Minister met with elders and scholars of Faryab. Maulavi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the Administrative Deputy PM, met with the scholars and elders of Faryab province. In this meeting, social, economic and basic needs of people were discussed. Better security efforts of officials of Islamic Emirate in serving to the people were appreciated by the elders of the said province. Acting Minister of Virtue and Wise paid a visit to the 5,000-bed Arex hospital. The Acting Minister of Promotion of Virtue and Prevention of Evil said in a speech to the Arex under treatment at the 500-bed hospital, "You are the children of the official of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, and it is the responsibility of the leadership to provide you with a good life in the community." Numerous major foreign companies have shown a willingness to invest around 10 billion in Afghanistan. With the re-establishment of the Islamic Emirate, numerous major foreign companies have shown a willingness to invest around 10 billion in Afghanistan, with some companies having started the actual job already. New officers graduate from Parwan Police Academy. A total of 279 recruits graduated as police officers from the Parwan Police Academy after 45 days of professional, religious and intellectual training, says Interior Affairs Ministry. 6 Daesh members, including a woman, were killed in an operation. Spokesman for Herat Police, Abdullah Insaf, says 6 members of the ISKP group, including a woman living in the house of a former jihadi commander, were killed in the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan Forces operation in Police District 14th of Herat city. A special unit equipped with modern equipment has been created. Kabul Police Headquarters has created a special unit equipped with modern equipment for addressing emergency situations, patrols, and search of the enemy hideouts. National Plantation Campaign kicks off. Kabul municipality says that the national campaign of planting the saplings has kicked off in Kabul today.